Good morning, children. The problem is given x into y plus z by y equal to 45. Y into z by x by z is equal to 40. Z into x by y plus y by x equal to 13. Find the value of x, y, z. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So here the pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the answer to this problem or not? So here first of all I am taking equation 1 now. First one x into y by z plus z by y is equal to 45. So if you take LCM in here y square by z square by zy is equal to 45. So here what is the logic is you have to multiply and divide with x. Multiply and divide with x, what will get here? X square into y square plus z square by xyz is equal to 45 will get. So here you can write it as x square y square plus x square z square equal to 45 xyz. So similarly the remaining two also you can write down. Similarly I am writing the remaining two also. Y into z by x plus x by z is equal to 40. So similarly you can multiply with y. So here you will get y square z square plus y square x square is equal to 40 xyz. So in the same way, third one also you can write. Third one also we are having z into x by y plus y by x is equal to 13. So here you will get z square x square multiplying z numerator and denominator. So here z square plus y square is equal to 13 xyz. So these are the values we are getting. Let it be 4. This will be 5. And let it be 6. Equation 1, 2, 3 given. Let us take this as 4, 5, 6. So here the logic is here you have to add and you have to subtract. So here 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 minus 6. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 minus 6. So what you are getting here? 4 plus 5 means x square y square plus x square z square plus y square z square plus y square x square minus z square x square minus z square y square is equal to here 45 plus 40 minus 30 now xyz. So we are adding 4 plus 5 minus 6 now. So z square x square cancel here. Here z square y square cancel. Z square y square cancel now. So here we'll get 2x square y square is equal to 85 minus 13. 85 minus 30 now. So what will get here? 85 minus 13. Okay, ma. So here you'll get 72 xyz. So x square y square is equal to x square y square equal to 36 xyz. So here you can remove xy is equal to 36z. Xy is equal to 36z. So here in the similar way you can make it 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 minus 4. So 5 plus 6 minus 4, what will get here? 5 plus 6 means y square z square plus y square x square plus z square x square plus z square y square minus x square y square minus x square z square is equal to 40 plus 13 minus 45 xyz. So here what will get here? X square y square get cancelled. So x square z square it cancel. 2y square z square is equal to 53. 53 minus 45. So here you'll get 8xyz. So here y square z square is equal to 4xyz. Yz is equal to 4x. So in the same way you can get the other one also. So here the time factor xz is equal to 9y. So let it be a, here b, and this is c. So you are taking a b c. So here a into b. So a into c, what will get a into c. So a into c means xy into xz is equal to 36z into 9y. 36z into 9y, a and c. So here y get cancelled, z get cancelled, x square is equal to 324. 324, x is equal to plus or minus 18. In the same way, if you multiply the remaining, here you'll get z square is equal to 36. Z square is equal to 36. Multiply b and c. Multiply b and c, you'll get z square equal to 36. Z is equal to plus or minus 6. So multiply with y you want. Multiply y means a and b. Multiply a and b, you will get y square is equal to 144. Y is equal to plus or minus 12. So the possible values of x, y, z. The possible values are x, y, z is 18, 12, 6, minus 18, minus 12, 6, minus 18, 12, minus 6, minus 18, okay, plus 18, minus 12, minus 6. So here you'll get 18, 12, minus 6, 18, minus 12, 6. So these are the possible values of x, y, z. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasy.